Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are sharing 11 Bath & Body semi-annual tips for you guys, because you guys know Bath & Body Works is coming out with semi-annual sale. They do this twice a year, so let's get in. All right guys, welcome back. So you know I have my bag ready here. I don't know about you guys, but if you are a Bath & Body lover, you guys know this sale is just twice a year. So yes, the sale has been announced, and it looks like it's according to what I see online. Well, sorry, according to what I see on Instagram, and if you follow either Sense Galore or Life Inside the page on Instagram, they always have the inside scoop. So supposedly this year the sale is upcoming and it starts June 14th. The thing that's weird is this year it's actually starting on a Monday. So that's kind of odd for me, because I believe last year it was actually, I'm trying to look at the calendar. It was actually, hold on. It was actually on a Saturday from what I remember, but let me take a look. Yeah, it shows it's gonna be on a Monday this year, so that's really weird. All right, so anyway, I wanna give you guys 11 tips, and if I don't share a tip that you're aware of, definitely let me know in the comment section below, because we all need all the tips that we can get to save some moolah and some cash before we go into Bath & Body. So if you haven't been putting that money aside, definitely go do that now, because you still have time to get those gift cards for yourself or whatever you need before you go into the store. All right, so the very first tip, and I write all these tips on my blog, and that's what I'm actually following, because I save these all on my blog. All right, so the very first tip we have here, let me see. Where are they? Okay, so the very first tip I wrote on my blog, I had to look for it. I'm like, hold on, where is it, number one? Okay, so I use Ibotta Fetch Apps, and I use Rakuten online. So it kind of, I know the online, it's a give and take when you place your Bath & Body oil, your Bath & Body Works orders online. So I know semi-annual sale last year was a little bit different. It was like 50% online, but sometimes those deals are good, especially for products like Coco Shea Butter Moist Body Wash and Coco Shea, I believe it was body lotion, but I think I just got I would have to look back on my semi-annual sale videos. I think I just got the Coco Shea moisturizing body wash is what I got. But if you go into the store, and this is usually what I do, I use the Ibotta app, and you can actually check out you purchasing a gift card, because with Ibotta, and Ibotta doesn't just work for Bath & Body, it actually works for other stores too, like Target and things like that. But Walgreens, you can get cash back on any of your products. But when you go into Bath & Body, you can have your phone ready, and you can use that Ibotta app. Once they give you the total, you go into usually what I do is I have Bath & Body, the section for Bath & Body up, ready, where it's asking you for your gift card total. Whatever the person at the register telling me, I just punch that in and hit buy or pay for whatever it's telling you, and then all you have to do is go like this and show them that gift card. They scan it and you are on your way. So not only did you save money on semi-annual sales, but you actually got cash back for your next product. Maybe you want to buy a candle in a couple weeks. So that was number one. Number two, combine Bath & Body Works with semi-annual discounts and stock combo savings. Basically, we already know that 75% off is an amazing sale, but what if you can look for like online coupons? Usually what we do is we get, and I'm trying to see if I have a breakdown here. I do have a breakdown. So usually what you can do is, let's say if they send off, and I'll be honest, I haven't received that coupon yet. Usually we get like a $10 off, what is it, $10 off 40 or $10 off, no, it's $10 off 40. Some people have said they've gotten $10 off 30, but when you use that, not only are you spending less money because you're getting those items as semi-annual sale, but you're taking $10 straight off of the total of the product. So you're not paying $40, you're actually paying $30. So that saves you. And when you do the breakdowns, and all those breakdowns are on my blog, so I'm not gonna go through those, but you can actually pay like sometimes $1. I paid $1 after the coupon goes through, $1.70, something like that, for a hand soap. Or I've gotten the wallflowers for $1 and change. So those things, the savings could add up if you combine coupons that you usually get in the mail. And believe me, I know that there is like a debate right now on the coupons that we're getting. Some people get it, some people don't. We don't know. Hopefully this year, they have another week to go. Hopefully this year they definitely do the coupon that it's like a yellow coupon. It looks exactly like this, and it has like a $10 off coupon inside. So hopefully they do the same thing this time around. So the next thing we have here is prepare to get wallflowers for up to 75% off. That's exactly what I was talking about. The wallflowers, let me see if I see the breakdown. You can find the wallflowers. I wrote it down, thank goodness. I wrote it down. So you can get the wallflowers for $3. Normally it's $6.50. But again, like I said, with that $10 off coupon, I have it right here. So it came out to $1.22 for wallflowers. So you can snatch up a bunch of wallflowers and just be ready and be set basically until the next semi-annual sale, depending on how many you get. But I do overdose when I definitely OD when I get the wallflowers if I can catch them on 75% off. Last time, I don't believe I found any for 75% off. That was kind of rare, but hopefully they do us some justice and give us some more wallflowers, because last time there was not a lot. Number 4, avoid full price candles during semi-annual sales, because you can actually find them for 75% off and they come up to $5.95. So normally, unless it's a candle that I really, really need in my life, I do not pay full price for any of I don't even focus on the candles unless they're 75% off. I'm trying to see if I have a breakdown here, because candle day, okay, so even if you pay, what is it, $14.95 or $14.50, if you wait a couple months for candle day, you can get them actually $8.95. So if you can find any candles there for $5.95 instead, what you could do is just grab those, set them to the side, and that should hold you off, hopefully, if you have a good spot. I know last semi-annual sale, I did not find any, so I'm gonna be honest, but last year during the summer, I did find a whole host of candles, so I was set. But you gotta do the work, and sometimes you do have to go to more than one Bath and Body. It usually lasts either 3 weeks or a month, I believe. It does last a long time, so sometimes you do have to go back to the store and to see if they have any more stuff. And let me see. Oh, and no, sorry. I thought I wrote something else on my blog. Okay, the next thing to keep in mind, and the next tip, is to buy Aromatherapy, because you can get it up to, sometimes you can get up to 76% off. The thing that's crazy is I have a breakdown here. With the $10 off coupon, I paid as low as $3.75 for Aromatherapy. Now, if you love Aromatherapy, you guys know that Aromatherapy hardly goes on sale itself. So I was able to grab, and this was this winter semi-annual sale, I was definitely able to grab a ton of Aromatherapy, and I normally don't even focus on that section, but I went to one location in the mall, which I normally don't go because it's in the mall, but I went to that location and they had a ton of Aromatherapy. Because what was crazy was, and this is why I tell you location, 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 when I went to another, I hit up like 4 different Bath and Body Works stores that day, I think 4 or 5, and the mall was the only location that had Aromatherapy for 75% off. The other locations had it for like 50% off. Some places didn't even have it off at all. So that's why you do have to take the time and go to different locations. Hopefully you can go that first day, because that would definitely, you can see exactly what you want and grab it while you're there. I say if you see it on sale, get it, because you could always go to return it to another store. But if it's 75% off, just grab it, because someone else is going to grab it on you. And then number 6, pay less at Bath and Body Works than buying online. Yes, like I said, mentioned in the very beginning, the online, it's a little debate, and I don't know what they're going to do this year for semi-annual sale, but last year that 50% semi-annual sale price continued all the way up until, I believe it was that last or second week of the month, and then it started trickling into 75% off prices, but it lasted a very long time. So you're better off going into the store to get that sale price, in my opinion. Number 7, buying online. Buy when it's free shop. If you're gonna do the buy online, which is fine, because I do it a lot too, buy only when it's either free shipping or have shipping promotions. What I mean is shipping promotions is when they'll give you like free products. Usually when I buy online, it's when you're getting like some other products for free just for making an online purchase. I do that all the time. Even if I am buying like a little pocket back for like $1.50 or pocket back holder, because I'm getting full-size products anyway for free. Some people don't like to do that because they don't want to pay for shipping, and that's why I said the online orders are kind of a debate. Usually what I do is I'll buy enough, like I think you have to get like $10 worth, enough to get like $5.99 for shipping. So I usually do something like that. And usually like free shipping is, you have to spend $50 to get free shipping. So it kind of depends on if, and it could be hard because maybe you don't have a location near you, but you have to just see what makes sense to you. And number 8, pay attention to coupon dates you can save with overlapping sales. I've done that before, and I'm gonna show you a picture of the coupons that I had last time around. It depends. I know that we don't get coupons in our online orders anymore, but if you, I would say subscribe to their email list and make sure that your email's on there. They do send coupons through the email or exclusive items. So via email that you won't know, especially if you went into the store, those will be exclusive to people who are subscribed. Number 9, a week before Bath and Body Works semi-annual sales. Oh, purchase. I totally skipped the word. Purchase a week before the Bath and Body Works semi-annual sales and get a price adjustment. So if you see something that you don't know if it's going to be on sale, or if you just want it and it happens to go on sale for semi-annual sales, you could return it to get a price adjustment. And I believe there's a 14-day after you can get a price adjustment 14 days after the original date. So like I said, you can buy the item a week before and then go back and see if it's on sale for semi-annual sale, and just get that price adjusted. A lot of places don't do that, especially I shop in Target, TJ Maxx. They don't do that there. So definitely take advantage if your store is doing it, especially now. You have no idea what's going to be on sale. Just grab it. If it is on sale, just return it and get it adjusted. Number 10, buy hand soaps when there's at least 65% off. Now, this one could be 65% off, but it actually could be 75% off because I have to update that one. That last sale, I got them for 75% off. Let me see if I have a price on what I paid each one. So this is just an example. If you purchase 14 hand soaps, you can stock up until the next sale. You're actually paying $225 Bath and Body, which normally sells for $6.50 each. That's true. But again, if you see any hand soaps that are 75%, just get them. I went to 4 or 5 different stores, and only one store had the hand soaps on sale that first day. So you gotta kind of if you see them, grab them. If you don't, just go to a different location. Excuse me. Number 11, get on the Bath and Body Works mailing list for free coupons and gifts. Like I said, there is a section where you can put your email there, but there's also a section, and you have to probably go to the FAQs where you can get on the mailing list, or you can probably Google the term how to get on Bath and Body's mailing list, and it's going to ask you for your address so that eventually you can get coupons in the mail. But you can also call their customer service, and I have it on my blog too, but just in case you need it, it's 800-756-5005. So you can let them know, hey, I want to get on the mailing list. Can you do this for me? Or my favorite is reach out to them via chat, live chat support, and just say you want to get on the mailing list so they can enter your information. So I would say just do it. If you have to do it more than once, go ahead and do that. And then let me see if I have any more. Oh, that was the last thing. The last thing that I didn't actually mention on here is, if you are not already, make sure that you get the Bath and Body Works app, because the app rewards app, you get exclusive sales both sometimes a day before or a couple days before a sale's actually going to hit, and it's an exclusive sale for you, so you get a heads up before it actually goes out to the public, and you can grab what you want to grab before it's sold out, because that's annoying when you see that there's a sale and by the time you get your order out, it's already gone. So this gives you a half a day sometimes, or a day before, a day ahead sometimes, to get that order in yourself. And also, that's where I was mentioning you get free products sometimes, some free product deals with any order when you're an app rewards member or Bath and Body app rewards member. So I hope you guys are ready. If I didn't mention your tip in this video, definitely let me know in the comments section below. But let's help each other and get ready. We are definitely getting into the semi-annuals vibe. I know I am excited. Let me know if you're excited below too. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.